Hi there. I'm covering Haystack dependency injection for physics. Download and import the Unity package. In the Haystack folder, there are demo scenes to look at. You can try and observe how it works in different examples. Now I'm going to provide a simple example of how to use this injection in your game. I decided to feature Haystack for physics triggers to get the dependencies because this is common in most games. In just a moment, I will create a simple scene for you. Here is the concept of this game. I need the player controller to move around, then a simple trap using trigger entry to damage the player. Now create a trap script, then use trigger enter for 3D. Then I will create a player controller script before the trap and configure the player in the inspector for a moment. In the trigger function in the trap component, in most cases, we use the try-get component or just the get component to get the player's health straight through, not just setting the heal script into singleton for direct access, but using this is not good in a bigger project. And this is how Haystack comes in. Now we're going to tweak the player script to add a new class for a constructor or a class for player dependencies. It's up to you. In this dependencies class or struct, you can use this to damage the player or access multiple scripts at the same time to minimize your unnecessary static variables. So we need to declare a local class variable. Then we need to set reference to the local dependency variable from our takeDamage function. But before you add the attributes, we need to reference the Haystack namespace at the top and mark it as Haystack install for injection. In order to work the injection and install, we need to mark the class as Haystack direct HayClass attribute. So we were going back into the trap script and typing inject dependency to manually inject and throw the result at the callback. The first parameter was detecting if the class has a physics class attribute in order to work. Then we will have a sample trap damage variable to use for damage. Now in the player script, we need to change something in order to work and to inject properly. Then the scripts are ready, and you can check if they work or not. As you can see in the inspector, the health is reducing because of the trap damage, so it means it works. That's all for the guide. Have fun, let me know if there is issues. Thank you.